We're hearing from the Wall Street Journal that some Facebook employees are pushing hard now to get Donald Trump's posts removed, claiming that they're essentially hate speech, banning Muslims, stuff like that, that it's not just a campaign statement, it's hate speech. On the phone with us now, the Wall Street Journal's Deepa Sitharaman. How far is this along, Deepa?
Well, the decision was made last year, but the decision was followed by a considerable amount of debate within the company that lasted for months, and still a topic of discussion periodically today.
So what does that mean? I mean, obviously, his comments are still on Facebook, so the push to ban them as hate speech didn't come to fruition, or did it?
No, it didn't. So what happened was he posted his December 7th post about Muslim immigration, and that touched off of a debate within the company about whether or not this violated Facebook's own standards for hate speech. They have community guidelines, they're online, internal people have much more detailed standards that they can consult, and it technically violated those standards that Facebook made an exception for Mr. Trump.
So where does this go? When I don't know what the process is, Deepa, but if people there are offended, but let's say by Donald Trump, and does it go up the flagpole? Do they debate it? Do they then say, all right, we go too far with this, we'd have to start picking apart a lot of stuff and banning a lot of stuff? It's a delicate balance. So do you know the process?
Well, the process typically goes like this. Users will flag a post, which then triggers a review from content reviewers at Facebook. There are hundreds of them. And if it's a particularly sensitive account or post, like this one, it goes up to the flagpole. And in this case, it went all the way up to executives at the company.
All right. Go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
And then they make a decision based on the merits. Because Facebook says context matters. And today they put out a post explaining some of the policies in a little bit more detail. And they said that, we will be allowing posts and images that might violate our standards, but are newsworthy or for the public good. So they're figuring out that line as we speak.
All right, but that continues now. I mean, his musings and his campaign statements and everything like that remains on Facebook.